In this clip, we will be looking at relative sizes. Scaling up and down is all about multiplying and dividing. So scaling up by a factor of 4 just means we are multiplying by 4, and scaling down by a factor of 4 means we are dividing by 4. Here is a question. It says, what number is 5 times as many as 8? We can use these two number lines to work out the answer. This number line goes up in ones, and this one goes up in fives. The numbers on the top line line up with a number 5 times as big on the bottom line. To answer this question, we can find 8 on the top number line and draw a line down and see what number it lines up with, and that will be our answer. If we draw a line down, the number we land on is 40. So the answer to this question is 40. In this clip, we're going to use scaling to solve money problems. Here is an example. It says 1 jar of strawberry jam costs 25 pence. How much will 3 jars cost? The calculation is 25 multiplied by 3. To work this out, we can do 3 times 5, which is 15. Put the 5 down, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Add 1 is 7. So the answer is 75 pence. In this example, it says in a different shop you can buy 7 jars of jam for 84 pence. How much will 4 jars cost? To work out the answer, we need to work out how much 1 jar is. And to do that, we need to do 84 divided by 7, which equals 12 pence. 1 jar costs 12 pence. Now we can multiply this number with 4 to work out how much 4 jars are going to cost. 4 jars is 12 multiplied by 4, which equals 48 pence. So 4 jars cost 48 pence. In this next example, it says Dan has 10 pairs of shoes. His sister Lucy has 5 times fewer pairs than Dan. Gemma has 2 times as many shoes as Lucy. How many shoes does Gemma have? Use scaling to explain your method. Dan has 10 pairs. His sister Lucy has 5 times fewer pairs than Dan. 10 divided by 5 equals 2 pairs. So Lucy has 2 pairs. The question is asking how much Gemma has. Gemma has 2 times as many shoes as Lucy has. If Lucy has 2, multiply this by 2, which equals 4 pairs. So Gemma has 4 pairs of shoes. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Question 1 says 6 bars of chocolate cost 66 pence. How much does 1 bar of chocolate cost? To find out what 1 bar costs, we need to do 66 divided by 6, which equals 11 pence. So 1 bar of chocolate costs 11 pence. Question 2 says what number is 7 times as many as 6? If we use a number line, go up in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and draw another number line and go up in sevens, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. And now we can find 6 on the number line, which is over here, and we can draw a line down, and the number we land on is the answer. So the number that's 7 times as many as 6 is 42. Question 3 says you have a map of a city where 1 inch represents 4 miles. If the distance between two locations on the map is 3 inches, what is the actual distance in miles? Again, if we draw out the number line, we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we're going to draw another number line and go up in 4s. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So 1 inch represents 4 miles, 3 inches represents 12 miles. So the answer is 12.